Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set your iPhone to flash when it rings. Setting your iPhone to flash when it rings is a great accessibility feature that can help you notice calls and loud environments or when your phone is on silent. Here's how to enable it. First, go to the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on the Accessibility. Next, navigate to Flash Settings. In the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Hearing section. Tap on Audio or Visual. Next, enable LED flash for alerts. Scroll down to the Visual section and toggle on LED flash for alerts. To make the flash work only when your phone is in silent mode, toggle on Flash on Silent. With these steps, your iPhone will flash whenever it rings or receives alerts, ensuring you never miss an important call or message. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.